a harmony with nature, a symphony of grace, sustainable beauty, Earth's warm embrace. Permaculture is a journey where love takes place.
Permaculture is popularly known as a cool form of organic farming. It is harmony with nature in a self-sufficient and sustainable way.
The co-founders of permaculture are Bill Mollison and David Holmgren.
The three pillars of permaculture are earth care, people care, and fair share.
Permaculture is a development model of sustainability which mimics natural ecosystems. It is important that we go back to our roots to understand the way nature meant us to live. Nature knows the way, therefore we must let it have its way. For children to understand the growth of certain plants and vegetables that grow best with each other is the key to having a full repertoire of nutrient-rich food. Ultimately, permaculture is the way the earth was inherited by us, and it is our promise to return it to next generations in the same manner.
The groundwork for the permaculture journey began with the creation of a tailored plan aligned with nature's rhythm. Through careful guided surveys, identification and marking of essential elements such as trees, entryways, water points, sunlight pattern and water level on the sites.
The design was sketched on the ground and bricks were laid to elevate the beds to prevent waterlogging. The bed floor was lined with newspapers and filled specialized soil mix.
Soil is a vital resource as it supports the growth of plant. The soil structure influences water retention, root penetration and water availability.
The soil sample is mixed with water in a jar, shaken vigorously and kept undisturbed for some time to allow the particles to settle down. This hands-on activity helps us gain insight on the composition of soil, helping tailor better solutions for the growth of plants.
We discovered an incredible insight regarding the composition of soil through the ball making activity. When clay soils were made into balls and were left to harden, they became tough as expected. But however, when the soil was mixed with the compost, it did not only retain its structure but was also easier to break. This simple activity vividly illustrates the importance of incorporating compost into clay soils.
Composting is magic, turning waste to gold. In soil's secret depths, stories unfold.
Plants can be classified as monocot and dicot by careful observation of the seed structure and leaf finish.
Companion planting is an integral part of permaculture. The seeds of companion plants were sown, taking care of the depth, distance and sunlight.
Pests were controlled by pesticides like neem oil, turmeric, ash and buttermilk.
A riot of colors erupted from the permaculture farm. Brinjal, chilies, zucchini and more. This harvest bounty demonstrated not only sustainable food production but also active student engagement. Delicious organic vegetables grown with their own hands were relished by students, filling their hearts with joy.
As we journey through the cycles of life, may we step gracefully, leaving behind a legacy of care and regeneration. A promise of abundance for generations to come.